This 2007 Buick Lucerne is being offered by Gross Motors of Marshfield at the low price of $12,977. AutoWeek reports Lucerne's fit and finish is excellent. The standard safety equipment is world-class and the cabin is up to snuff. Automobile Magazine reports Lucerne is entertaining to drive with firm damping and better body control. Named a contender by Motor Trend 2006 Car of the Year. Motor Trend credits Lucerne's smooth ride, roomy backseat and cavernous trunk. Road and Track reports Lucerne takes aim at the luxury market with a supple ride and a clean, understated and elegant interior. Rated 1 to watch by Consumer Guide 2006. For more information, click the link to the right or call our phone number. Another fine car offered by Gross Motors of Marshfield. We will ship this car anywhere in the U.S.